Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write essay on a very important topic, farmers and food security. You can also write this essay under the topic role of our farmers in food security or also under the topic food security in India and the role of farmers in it. Any which ways, this is a very important topic according to the current scenario and is very important for your exam point of view. So let's get started. Farmers and food security. Introduction. Farmers are the foundation of our country. Their commitment and hard work in the fields help produce the food that we consume daily. Without their hard work, it would be impossible for any country to survive. Currently, while the world considers discussing about modernism and technology, the matters of farmers and food security gets even more important. Food security is a term that in its simplest form means that every single human being should have enough safe and nutritious food for a healthy life. And farmers play the biggest role in ensuring it. Next subheading is Importance of Farmers. Farmers give us grains, vegetables, fruits, pulses, and dairy products. They keep working for the country regardless of the weather. Be it extreme heat, heavy rainfall, or winter frost. Their commitment keeps our markets supplied with food and our families healthy. A country with strong, capable farmers never has to face a food shortage. Hence, farmers are not only food makers but also nation makers. The next subheading is challenges. Even though they aren't that important, a lot of farmers are still challenged with multiple adversities. Climate change is a big problem that affects agricultural production. Since it brings droughts on one hand and floods on the other. A lot of villages remain without proper irrigation facilities. Quality seeds, fertilizers, and machinery are all too expensive, and thereby farming is costly. At times, farmers do not receive the right price for their crops, which in turn affects their financial position. All these problems undermine the agricultural sector and spells doom on food security. Next subheading is solutions. The nation's strategy for ensuring food security has to begin with taking farmers into consideration. And giving them support. The latest farming methods, proper irrigation systems, and scientific knowledge can raise the crop output of farmers tremendously. The farmer's maintenance of a stable financial status can be achieved through fair prices, crop insurance, and accessible markets. Organic farming and soil health practices can also contribute significantly to the stability of farmers. Strong farmers lead to a strong nation. The last subheading is conclusion. Farmers are the ones that guarantee food to all people. They work silently but are very much involved in the country's economic progress. In order to make food security strong, the well-being of farmers must be given top priority. It is every person's duty to show respect, extend support, and have an understanding of farmers' contributions. A nation only flourishes as its farmers do.